troubleshoot the Windows creation tool error. So yeah, this is the error. To troubleshoot it, just enter into the Google Chrome and just download the Windows creation tool in the Microsoft website. Yeah, this is a easy and simple step. So for further steps without doing or downloading or installing the Windows Media Tool, you can do other steps which will be in our channel. Just subscribe our channel to get into touch with us. Yeah, now download the Windows 10 disk image like it's a exe. Scroll down and you may see the creation tool for download it. Either creation tool for download it. Yeah, it's Windows 10 Media Tool installation. Just download it and run the creation tool in the system. Double tap to run the application over the system. You ask to the media tool creation software to be installed on your system. Yeah, the future something is getting ready. It seems to be a very simple step. Just click next towards the sequence over the tab of what you're seeing on your laptop or in your system personal computer. Yeah, accept it and click next. Yeah, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe System Solutions, and please do like the video.